My dear children, this is the continuation of the same module. Here I had given some programs. The first program. Here WAP means write an application program. Write a program to enter length and breadth and calculate the area of rectangle. You need to get the value of length and breadth from the user. Then you need to calculate the area, that is length into breadth. Then you can display the area. Like that, you need to enter, that is the user has to enter the radius of a circle. As a programmer, we need to write a program for calculating the area. Like that, getting the mark of 5 subjects and calculate the total and percentage of the student. Distance in feet and convert into inches. Then getting the value of temperature in Fahrenheit and convert into Celsius. Then enter the radius and height of the cylinder. Calculate the volume of the cylinder. Now, we need to discuss about some operators. This is the next one. That is next token we should have to discuss. Are symbols that performs specific operations when applied on variables. Look at that. 10 plus 25. 10 and 25 are what? Operands. Above statement is an expression, the combination of operator and operands. Here, operator used as plus symbol and the operands used as 10 and 25. That is, operator, operands, operates on operand. Operator operates on operand. Some operator requires 2 operands. Some requires only 1 operand to operate. My dear children, in this module, we are going to discuss more about operators. There are several types of operators we are having in Python. Unary operators. The first one is unary operator. Are those operators that requires only 1 operand at a time. The following are some unary operators. Unary plus. It is used for plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 100, plus 10.5. Like that we can use for positive numbers. Minus, unary minus, minus 10, minus 7.5 for negative numbers. And bitwise operator is nothing but using for tilting, that is toggling, implementing. Then the not operator, it's a logical negation. Normally we will say it as logical negation. It is a type of logical operator also. It also have only 1 operand at a time. That is mainly used for toggling the Boolean expression. That is, if it is false, it returns true. And if it is true, it will return false. Toggling. True to false and vice versa. So, totally 4 operands which are in unary operators. Coming to the second type, that is the binary operators, are those operators which has only 2 operands. 2 operands like A plus B. A and B are the operands. A minus B. A into B. A divided by B. A mod B. And A exponent B. A floor division B. Like that we are having many arithmetic operators. Here the plus symbol is used for addition, minus symbol is used for subtraction, and into, that is the asterisk, is used for multiplication. Forward direction, slanting line is used for division, and percentage is used for getting the remainder of a division. That is, if we are dividing 5 divided by 3, what will be the remainder we will get? 2. So that is the remainder getting operator, that is nothing but the mode. And double asterisk is used for getting the exponent, like 2 raised to 3. If we want to get the rise to the power of, like 2 raised to 3. So how can we give 2 into 3? So it will return 8. Like that, floor division. Floor division is nothing but if you want to ignore the fractional part, then we can use floor division. For example, if you are dividing 5 divided by 3, what will be the resultant? 1.4. So it will divide like 5 divided by 5 divided by 3, it will return 1.6. We will get 1.6. So the resultant will be 1.6. If we want to neglect 0.6, then we can use floor division, that is double divisional operators. So what are the arithmetic operators we are having? Addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, exponent, remainder and the floor division. Till that I am closing this module. The next one is discussed in the next module. Thank you.